Houseplan 1933 is a modern Mediterranean mansion perfect for a sunny beach location. It provides tons of outdoor living space on 2 stories to make the most of its views and a pool. This covered lanai connects to the formal living room and shows the bowed eating nook behind, while this one connects to the informal family room and offers an outdoor kitchen for a built-in barbecue experience. Amazing views are also afforded from inside the open concept portion of the home, and even more from the living room, although it has a more closed and cozy feel. The kitchen is very open to the family room to make hosting a snap. Notice the walk-in pantry, the butler pantry that cuts to the dining room at the front of the house. The double islands for tons of counter space. And the double wide paneled fridge. The dining room is formal and separated from the kitchen, offers a quiet meal away from any commotion. The study sits between the kitchen and dining room. It will be quiet when you work and empty during dinner and parties. The master suite is also on the first floor. It offers sitting room for pool views and elegant tray ceiling over the bed. His and her closets and a huge bathroom with an amazing shower hidden behind the tub. Upstairs, there's another living room, 4 full suites, and a bonus room. Visit our site if you'd like to make Houseplan 1933 your new home.